Hey, how's it going? Okay, cool. So I decided it would probably be just as quick for me to find the video as it would be for me to film one for you on how to create a GitHub project. So I want to share my screen and let's see if we can crank this out in just a few minutes. Awesome. So this is GitHub. You should have your repositories. Let's create a new repository. So let's create new. Um, Repo demo is going to be what we call it. And then you can choose private or public. I'm going to choose private. I'm going to add a README file. And then the rest of these you can kind of leave on the default setting. You can also rename this repo later. It might make things a little confusing if you had like links somewhere. But yeah. Cool. This is just adding a description. Great. Let's create a repository. Awesome. This is my repo demo. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to open up a terminal. I want to cd to dev because that's where I have stuff. pwd is how I use a print command, and I ls, and these are some of my different like Bearbeta repos. So the next command I want to do is a git clone, and then I'm going to copy this HTTPS call. You can use HTTPS, SSH, blah, 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 all these different options. And then I'm going to just paste. Whoops. Git clone, copy here, and paste. Awesome. Awesome, cool. So now I have another repository. So I want to actually increase this font. Whoops. Let's increase the font size. Cool. So then you're going to cd into repo demo. And so printed working directory, I did an ls. This is showing a readme. That's the only file in there. So if I wanted to add a file, I would say like touch test.py. And get status is how I would check. And I see, oh, I have test.py. You can also do these git commands in VS Code, or your editor might have some stuff, but I'm just going to do it from the terminal just because it's really quick. And then if you want to do VS Code, we can talk that too. So I'm going to first, in order to add this file, so I just did a touch to create it. You could also just like go to this directory in your file browser and like drag stuff there. But if you see here in your repository, we just have a README file. That's the initial commit. We're going to add this other file. Whoops. So I'm going to do a git add test.py because that's the path right here. And I'm going to get status. And it's going to show, oh, this file is going to be committed. Cool. And so now I'm going to do a git commit -m for message and adding test.py. Oops, I had a typo. MMIT. Great. Awesome. And then so that committed it. And then I'm going to do a git push. Fantastic. So now I'm going to refresh over here. And so you see I have a test.py along with this README. It says that's the initial commit message, and this is adding test.py. Awesome. So that's what I'm hoping to see for your projects this week. Let me know if you have any issues. So excited to see your repos. Okay. Good luck.